I have a Ford Super Duty here. This one we have all torn apart. A tree or a tree limb or something fell on this roof and it's crushed back here, and you can see up front it's crushed real bad up there. So this one's going to be getting a new roof panel, which I have the new roof right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting on this one and get that roof cut off, and then I'll start fitting the new one up. So it looks like there's welds underneath this seam sealer right here, all the way across on both sides. So I'm gonna clean the seam sealer off and grind the rest of those welds. Then this roof should be free. So we just set this roof up here to do a trial fit, just to make sure everything's fitting properly. And it looks like it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift it back off. I gotta lay down a few things underneath here, some sealer and stuff, and get this roof put back on. I have some epoxy primer I mixed up right here, and I'm gonna lay this where the window urethane goes on the front and the back where the glass gets glued in. This is the proper way to glue glass in. They want it done on top of epoxy primer. And then I'm also going to cover the bare metal in these troughs right here on both sides. And then once that's dry, I have to lay down a self-leveling seam sealer. It's probably 1/8 inch thick, and it goes through this trough right here. But the self-leveling stuff cannot go on top of bare metal. That's why I'm putting this down first. Now this stuff is self-leveling for the most part. I use my spreader there to spread it, and then it'll slick out on its own and level out